Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And we are at the oldest church in Tennessee. It's called Sinkins Creek Baptist Church. Sorry about the traffic, but check this out. I'll let you see that. Ain't that cool? I like to go in there with you, but apparently we can't. So we're just gonna look here. There's also a little cemetery over there on the other opposite side of the church. So we're gonna walk this way. So we're gonna the oldest church in Tennessee. How cool is that? Also, there's a little cemetery. So we're going to walk this way to the cemetery. You're going to watch your step because there's some holes in the ground, but it'll be alright, right? Or I'll turn you towards the cemetery. The grave. These are some old headstones. Some really old headstones. But you gotta remember, this is the very first church, actually First Baptist Church of Tennessee. So we're not gonna, unfortunately we can't go in, but I'm gonna attempt to see if I can see inside right here. Now, let's see if you can see anything. Oh yeah, look at that. Inside of Sinking Creek Baptist Church. It'll take you back around to the front of it also. Some old headstones. Some really old headstones, actually. Yeah, this is cool. There's even one all the way down there. You know? Yeah, that's one all the way down there. Sinking Creek Baptist Church. From 1783 to 1924, these doors were open. The oldest church in Tennessee. This is so cool. Like I said, that's a cemetery over there. Now, unfortunately, we can't go in, but, you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. If y'all haven't had a chance to like and subscribe, go right ahead. Hit that like button, subscribe, turn the notifications on to see more videos. Huh, I just realized that. We're on camera. Sorry about the traffic. The wind is also up, so it'll be alright. But yeah, go ahead and hit that like button when the video gets done. I'll send the links in the description below about this church. And we will see you all later.